What's up, y'all? It's B-Dougie, and I'm going to show you a new way to get enhanced views on your contributor data inside of OpenSauced. So, hope you enjoyed your break. If you aren't taking a break, we aren't, because we're actually shipping releases during this break, and let's take a look right now. All right, currently, I'm now tagged specifically in the dashboard for React contributions. And normally, you're sort of stuck to try to figure out what's going on within the contributions. But now with this new enhanced view, you can expand those contributions across anything from 0 to 50,000 lines. Now, currently this is specifically just to whatever the midpoint is for contributions. But now I can actually see who's contributing. I also want to see like who these people are. So before you could hover over there and see someone's name. In addition to seeing someone's name, we can now see the hover card. And the hover card includes not just their name, but also their first contribution date, as well as any open contributions in the last 30 days. So taking a look at this, another nice to have would be able to click this and looking at their entire profile. So now that I've clicked through, I can now see their entire contributor profile, which it's going to get better. This is our first pass, so looking forward to continue to expand on this profile view, but would love to get your feedback. So a reminder, we do have a feedback repo, OpenSauced/feedback. Here you can provide feedback in our discussions on anything that's missing or ideas for features. If you have any sort of thought on what your user profile might look like. In addition to that, we also have a new landing page. And if you want to keep up to date with these videos, as well as our new features as we ship them, definitely subscribe to our newsletter. So please stay saucy.